Welcome to Beat in a Bowl.
Today we're going to be making homemade Pop-Tarts. These are the ingredients you'll need.
Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees.
Using refrigerated pie crust, you're going to want to roll it out into a rectangle. The rectangle can be any size, really 9 by 11 or whatever you can get your rectangle to go into, but this is what you're going to be using for your Pop-Tart dough. Next, place your rectangle of dough onto a cookie sheet and put it into the fridge to stay cold.
Next, take your dough and trim it to have clean edges and then cut it into 6 even, uniform pieces. After your dough pieces are cut out, we're going to begin making our filling. Combine your brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon into one bowl and stir together to combine.
Next, we're going to make our egg wash. This is going to be 2 teaspoons of milk and 1 large egg. You're going to whisk this together and it will be used to join the 2 layers of the Pop-Tart dough. Now we're going to take our egg wash and gently brush it on one part of our Pop-Tart dough. This is going to be the bottom of your Pop-Tart.
After we've applied our egg wash to our dough, we're going to add our filling. Make sure to leave a 1/4 inch space between the filling and edges of the dough. This is so that the top and bottom layers can adhere to each other.
Repeat the egg wash step for the top layer of your Pop-Tart pastry.
Place your top layer of dough egg wash side down onto the bottom layer of your Pop-Tart. Using a fork, seal the Pop-Tart completely. Using your fork, gently poke holes into the top of your Pop-Tart so to vent it.
Next, bake your assembled Pop-Tarts for 15 minutes. At the end, they should be golden brown and a little puffy on top.
After you take them out, let them cool completely.
Once the Pop-Tarts have cooled, you can start to make your frosting. This is going to be 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Stir the ingredients to combine and to get an even consistency.
Next, you're going to be icing your Pop-Tarts with the icing you made.
Once the icing has dried, enjoy your Pop-Tart. Want more videos? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Beat in a Bowl.